Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to an update video on growing the Carolina Reaper chili peppers. Now, I've had some mixed results with this one. It's been nearly 3 months since I planted the seeds. Now, originally we planted 11 seeds, and out of 11 seeds we got 10 plants, which is really good. Now the problem is, after 3 months, these plants haven't actually grown. Now I've got them here, I'm going to show you in a second. Look, they haven't died. Some of them look like they might be dying, but they certainly haven't grown. Now the funny thing is, the chili plants outside in my garden bed that have been there for about 2 or 3 years now are going feral. I've got more chilies than what I know what to do with. I'm actually going to start dehydrating some of those chilies very shortly. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got after 3 months of growing Carolina Reapers. That's it there. This is pretty much what has grown. And look, I'm hoping these will survive autumn and they will grow next year. Look, they have grown a little bit, but obviously there's no chilies growing on these, so it has not been a great success at this stage. And maybe don't take my advice on how to grow Carolina Reapers. Then again, look, I don't think it's my fault. I haven't done anything different with these ones than what I've done with my other chili plants, which I've also grown from seed. And as you can see here, those plants have got plenty of chilies and they're just going crazy. So hopefully these chili plants, I'm going to try and keep them alive. I'll do an update maybe in a few months' time to see how they're surviving. But so far we've got 10 plants and 2 don't really have any leaves on them, but I don't think they've died. So hopefully we'll get at least a few plants out of these. Look, I'll be happy if I get 4 or 5 healthy plants. That's going to be more chilies than what I know what to do with. Now I have had people asking for an update on my Carolina Reaper chilies, and this is it. So it's not great, but we still do have some plants, and hopefully they will grow into some chili plants, and eventually we'll be able to do a taste test of the deadly Carolina Reaper. Now if you enjoyed this somewhat disappointing video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more disappointing Carolina Reaper videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.